Leonardo da Vinci predicted concepts centuries ago. His sketches reveal astonishing future technologies. Imagine history's greatest mind in our present. Leonardo da Vinci's genius transcended his era. Born 1452, he saw beyond Renaissance limits. His notebooks brimmed with radical concepts. We explore his vision for a modern future. How would he shape tomorrow's world today? Da Vinci dreamed of human flight endlessly. His ornithopter mimicked bird mechanics. Today, drones fill skies. He'd personal aerial revolutionize transport systems, logistics.
Imagine his AI-powered autonomous drone designs.
He'd personal aerial revolutionize transport systems, logistics, delivery, and surveillance.
Perhaps even personal aerial transport systems.
His passion for flight would soar higher now. Picture his future cities with flying vehicles. His armored car concept was truly revolutionary. This 15th century tank foreshadowed modern warfare. Think autonomous combat robots, formidable and smart. Da Vinci would design adaptive, self-repairing machines. His future focus: intelligent automation for every task. From defense to industry, robots would abound. Imagine his future factories, fully automated. He'd create advanced AI systems for control. Venice's canals inspired his innovative diving suit. He envisioned humans exploring deep beneath waves. Today, submersibles reach Mariana Trench depths. Da Vinci would push deep-sea colonization efforts. Think sustainable underwater cities, biodiverse and thriving. He'd design advanced marine resource harvesting systems. The ocean's future would be his next frontier. He'd map anatomical unknown abyssal drawings, were planes thoroughly. Da Vinci meticulously studied human physiology. In the future, he'd lead bioengineering breakthroughs. Imagine prosthetic limbs, seamlessly integrated, enhanced. He'd pioneer gene editing for disease eradication, perhaps even human augmentation, extending lifespan. His focus: optimizing human potential endlessly. Da Vinci's mind predicted our technological trajectory. His future inventions would redefine existence. We see his legacy in every modern innovation. His genius remains an inspiration for tomorrow. The future is truly built on his past dreams. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.